Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako, and this channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials were made for basic to advanced in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. Let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. I welcome you to my Corel X7 tutorial for beginner in 14. If you have not watched my previous tutorial in Corel X7 tutorial for the beginner, I will advise you to check the previous video tutorial on my channel. The channel name still remains the same, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. Kindly check the tutorial and watch my previous tutorial in Corel X7 from day 1 to day 13 before you can watch the day 14, so that you'll be able to understand the CorelDRAW X7 tutorial series. And in today's tutorial, what I'm going to teach you basically has to do with what we call pen tools in Corel. Pen tools can be used to make a custom shape. You can make use of pen tool where you want to make a design or you want to make a stroke. Whichever way, today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can master your pen tools in Corel. So let's get to the tutorial started. First, we have to go to our tools bar and locate our pen tools. So pen tools can be located from this point here. When you click down, then you see a variety of tools here. But in today's tutorial, we are mostly concerned about pen tools. Select your pen tools, then you come to the working area where exactly you need your pen tools to work. So I'm going to make a stroke with my pen tool first. Right, I will click down. When you click down, you're going to see that your pen tool is going to form a kind of style, a kind of sky blue color style and a pen tool. So what it simply means is that you want to make a path, right? So you can make your path by drag it out whichever way you want to drag it. So you can drag it to anywhere just like this. But in this case now we want to make a very perfect stroke. So to make a very perfect stroke with your pen tool, what you have to do is to press down the shift key on your keyboard. You see, when I press down my shift key on my keyboard, everything remains a straight. Then once you are able to locate your straight stroke, then you click once. When you click once, you're going to make a stroke. In this case now, we need to cut out these pen tools. From this point, we need our stroke from this angle to this angle. So we need to cut out this. How you're going to do it is simple thing. All you have to do is to press down your control key and click once. So everything is going to delete. Then you press space bar key to go to your pick tools. Now you have a perfect stroke with your pen tool. So this perfect stroke, you can format it in any way you like. So you can go to your menu bar, then you can increase the width of your stroke to, let's try at 616. So you can see when we increase the width, it begin to tick. So you can increase it to 20. So right, then you can come here and change the stroke format. You can apply arrow. So you see, so when I apply the backward arrow, it's going to take effect. You can go back to your menu bar, then look for another arrow. So there are lots of arrows here you can make use. Everything here is for the custom shape. So let's see this. Good. Now, one other thing you can do, you can come here and change the stroke style. You see, I change it to the dot. You can come here and change the forward arrow key. Change to this. So now everything looks good. One other thing you can do, you can apply color by come to your color palette here. But in this case now, this is a stroke pattern. All you have to do is to come to the color palette, you right click on it, you're going to have your stroke in a color, right? So this is how you make a perfect straight line and how you format it using CorelDRAW pen tools, right? So now let's take a look at another example as far as pen tool is concerned. So I'll go back to my pen tools and select it again. Now you want to make a curve, right? So you can start from any point. So you can drag it down just like this. Now, when you release it, it's automatically going to form a very curved shape. Then you can continue from where you stop, right? So you can decide to turn it like this. Good. Then you continue like this. Then you can come to the last edge of your shape and make something like this. Now you have a kind of slopey curve style. Then now you need to stop at this point. This is simply what you're going to do is that you just press Ctrl key on your keyboard and click once. Everything is going to cut. So now you have your cut, you have your slopey curve in when you see pen tool in CorelDRAW. So the same thing, you can make use of color, you can increase the width, then you can increase the style, you can add arrow. So whichever way, so you are still working with your pen tools as far as CorelDRAW tutorial is concerned. So let's quickly delete it. In case if you don't know how to make use of pen tools to make a curve, this is what I'm going to show you, the logic of what you're going to do. So go back to your pen tools again. So I select your pen tools and make a path, straight stroke like this, then you cut. So when you cut, the next thing you have to do, you can go to your shape tool. So when you select your shape tools, then come to this stroke and right click on it. So when you right click on it, then you go to curve, convert to curve. So when you convert to curve, you see you can drag, depends on the kind of shape you are looking at. Right? So you can as well make use of the same format. You can increase the width. So you can add style, you can add arrow. So use this one now. And the backward arrow is this. You can choose whichever way you like, then you can apply color and right click on any type of color you would like to use in CorelDRAW. Right? So these are the ways by which you can use your pen tools in CorelDRAW as far as this tutorial is concerned. Now, if you don't want to make use of this place to format your stroke or shape or pattern, so you can come down below here. This pen here simply means an icon for pen tool, so you can click on it. So the dialog box is going to pop up. Then from here, you can see that everything we have done so far as the formatting of the stroke is concerned, everything is here. We make use of color to be red, then the arrow, the backward arrow, the front arrow, then the style, and every other thing that's been done there. You can click on OK. That is the best way for you to as well apply it that way. So I'm going to delete this now. So I'll go back to my pen tools again. We can make use of pen tools to make another part. So something like this. Then we can close the part. So it's pen tools. So we can make use of pen tool to make a rectangle. Part. Then you can apply color. So these are the things you can use your pen tools to do. You can as well format the type. So now add color. Then you can increase the width. It's going to appear. Change the style if you don't like that. So this is how you make this of pentool X7 as far as this tutorial is concerned. This is where we're going to stop today for correct tutorial for beginner. Please, if you like this video, click like button, and if you enjoy my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also remember to visit the channel for more interesting video in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.